I lost my first challenge that I had kept for 1.5 years, but not because I was a poor trader, but because someone came and disorganized my rules.
If you are a beginner trader, it's time to take notes. In today's episode, Son of Sam explains how to create trading rules that can help you make millions using the Musumali strategy.
We are here to reduce the risk of losing. That's why I always tell you, wait to break the highs of this candle. We reduce on a losing rate. All the things that we have talked about within 2 weeks, 1 month, you understand them. Risk management, strategy, all are doable. But there is only one thing that is difficult to do, and few traders reach there. Because if you don't have rules, you are not going to follow them. And sometimes people, they have rules and they don't even follow them. It is hard to follow. But there is also psychology behind it. And I told my friend, I was teaching one of the guys in the past, I told you make rules of your trading. And he made the rules and he sent me and I was laughing. He told me, I can move a stop loss whenever I feel like. Then I said, my brother, for you forget about becoming successful. He was doing the rules to help him to do the wrong things. By the way, in trading, everything that you feel like you want to do, it will never help you to become a successful trader. But the things that you feel are difficult to do are the things that will help you to become a successful trader. Because already they are difficult. That's why 90% lose money. They are difficult to do. It is like going in heaven. If you tell people drinking alcohol and marrying 100 women, you will go to heaven, I think. All of us, we can go in heaven. But they are telling you there are rules that will take you in heaven. They are same rules that are going to make you to be a successful trader. You need what we call discipline. So you are going to make rules. Now, like me, I say I take 2 trades a day. Even if 2 trades a day. Even if I see Musumali, another Musumali, one, how beautiful it is, I can't press it. Because for me, I'm already done with the day. Because I know psychology behind it. I know in case on the worst day, if I say 3 trades, if I lose 1, 2, and I go on a third trade, I'm likely to mess up. I know my psychology. You guys, I know you know Musumali, but at least you know 70% of it. Because like this, I don't know psychology behind it. You don't know everything about it. So we are going to make rules.
The next part of the video is going to help you map out the Musumali candle while getting into the markets.
So we said the Musumali strategy is made up of how many things? We go back.
4
Do you
things.
still remember them or I go back?
It's made up of 4 things.
Number 1?
Number 1, the nature of the market.
Exactly.
Which we have already identified here.
Don't say that I'm the one now. Okay. We said, now you are right, you are understanding it very. I want you to answer them. We said the nature of the market.
The nature of the
so this market is going where?
This is a buying market.
So that means we are in up, upward,
uptrend.
Uptrend. That means we have already identified the what?
The trend.
The nature of the market. So we put tick on the nature of the market.
Yes.
You have already understood that one.
Yes.
So now we go on the area of benefit. We said on the area of benefit, what do we want?
On the area of benefit,
It is where we
support
or resistance, where people are buying and selling.
and supply.
So, and in the history, the only area that is proven as support and resistance, as demand and supply, or people were buying and selling their assets, it is support and resistance.
Because it works even in daily life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now, show me the area of benefit.
So our area of benefit here is?
Yes, show me the area.
Here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we call this one the area of what?
Benefit.
Are you seeing how we are covering the Musumali strategy?
Why
we are
is
going
it the area of benefit?
where people are buying and selling their assets. So now the market already has approached where?
The area.
That means we are looking for what? Opportunity to do what?
To enter into the market.
But we are entering, going where?
Buys.
Because of what?
The nature of the market.
If they go hand in hand, if you miss one thing, then you are gone. You are gone
Come
forever.
back again. Let's rewind on that.
Yes, we are going to rewind. That we have started with uptrend, where we said it is the nature of the market.
Yeah.
Now we have said the area of benefit is what? It is where people are buying and selling their what?
Their assets.
Their assets. So now we call this one area of what?
Benefit.
Area of benefit. So we said on the area of benefit, if we want to buy, we look for what?
Opportunities.
Opportunities. So opportunities, how will we know that now opportunity has come?
When the market is back in the area of benefit.
Yes. Then we look for which candle?
We are looking for green candle.
Yes, which we call
The Musumali candle.
exactly, because we say when we see this candle, we know that for sure buyers have entered where?
Into the market.
And they are going to continue going where?
Up.
So when we see that candle, already we have one thing. Are you seeing how sweet is this strategy? Already we have the things that are running. We said when you see people running, you do what?
You run with them. Don't ask questions.
Now we are not just running. Now we are having another opportunity of saying now we are going to buy people where are buying and selling their what?
Their assets.
This is the area of what?
Now it's like here, you already, by the time the Musumali forms here in the area of benefit, it's like it is answering you why these people are running there.
Exactly.
Now you are getting a reason to run.
New crash. We stop from here, we come another day or we continue?
No, we continue.
Let us continue.
We have to continue.
Let us continue. So, now we want the Musumali candle to confirm that for sure people are running, going up.
Yes.
Because don't just enter,
run.
don't see the cow and you call it a meat. First slaughter it. So this Musumali, it is the slaughter house. It is telling us that for sure now we are going to slaughter this one.
Okay. So
are you seeing how sweet trading is if you know what to do?
Yeah, actually, yes.
So now we want the Musumali candle to come in this area. Are you understanding it, Nikrash? So what do we want? We want the what? The Musumali candle. So this is the Musumali candle has done what has come. So now what are we going to do?
We are going to buy.
Exactly according to you, but me I'm going to say no. Because we still have number 4 that you have not yet understood, which we call?
Price action.
Or which we call?
Liquidity peak.
Exactly. I understanding it.
Liquidity peak. Okay.
So
which is the last one?
Yes, we need another confirmation. Okay. Because when people were buying, you see these candles when they are going up, they are orders that they left behind.
Yeah.
Like they are the area of benefit. On those bunches of candles, there are people that were not triggered. So we want the market first come, it triggers those people that were left behind so that we know that for sure there is no one who has left what?
Behind.
So even if you get that Musumali, that means that cow, they are taking it in the slaughterhouse, but they have not yet slaughtered it.
They have not yet slaughtered.
So we are waiting for anything to slaughter. So what are we going to do? First of all, we need to mark our area of benefit. So me, when the market was going up, before it went up, me the rows where there is rows on bunches of candles.
Here.
Exactly. So Niklas, you understand very fast. So we are going to mark this one as our area of what?
Benefits. Below those candles.
Below those candles. So we are going to call the liquidity.
So this one is
our liquidity.
The liquidity peak is
exactly
there.
It is around there. That is what we call liquidity. Liquidity peak. Are you understanding it, Niklas?
I'm getting you.
So now what do we want? We want a Musumali that will sweep this.
I hope you are understanding.
I want this Musumali that will sweep what?
To sweep this liquidity.
So that means even if we get the Musumali that doesn't sweep liquidity, we are not going to take this what?
It's not yet, the cow is not yet slaughtered.
Yes. So can we slaughter the cow?
So here you exercise patience.
Aha, wait. So now we have seen candle which is like this. So have we slaughtered the cow or we have not yet slaughtered the cow? We have already slaughtered the what?
The cow.
So ask me the one question. Because a complete strategy must be telling you where to enter from, where to put the stop loss.
Yes.
So you are supposed to ask me those questions.
Where do I put the stop loss now?
Before you put the stop loss.
Do I enter just from here?
Where do I enter from? It is the question you are supposed to ask me. Ask me that question.
So where do I enter from?
Exactly. So like the way we were saying that this is the history now. What we are seeing now, it is the history.
So now this is done.
This is done. We have already got everything.
The cow is already slaughtered.
No. They are going to put the sword on it.
Okay. Okay.
So now we want when we want new buyers to come in the market.
New buyers. Okay.
New buyers. So how will we know that now there is new buyers in the market?
Question.
When they start breaking the highs of this what?
Musumali?
This Musumali. Are you understanding it? Because before they break these highs of this Musumali, I would not identify that there is new buyers in the market. Because people, they were still in that range of buy. But when they start breaking that new highs in the market, I'm getting other people who are telling me, you people, let us run. So we call this as our entry. We call this one the entry what?
So now we are getting a confirmation.
Yes, now they have slaughtered the cow. They have even skinned it. We are seeing the meat.
So once the market comes back in the area of liquidity, and it forms our famous candle, which is the Musumali. If the Musumali doesn't pick liquidity, you hold. The cow is still not yet slaughtered.
Exactly.
So now here, the cow comes, picks liquidity, it comes in the market, picks liquidity from our area of benefit, but we don't enter.
Yes.
We wait for the confirmation.
Yes, exactly.
And in this case, the confirmation is we need to see buyers
in the market
breaking above the strategy, right? The candlestick.
Exactly. Are you understanding it? But Mr. Burton, are you following?
Our director is also learning. Hey.
Yes. So that is what we call entry point. So now the question is, yes, you have entered, but you must confirm that now I'm wrong in case things doesn't work. Because as we know, age can help you to win in the market after series of trades.
Yes.
You can't know when the win is going to come. You can't know when the loss is going to come. But I know if I always take this Musumali, I will win more than I do what?
I lose.
So how can I know that now I'm wrong?
With a series of trades, you've been talking about series of trades. Some people are really confused and have been getting very many questions about the sets of trades. How do you take these trades? Is it like one time somebody asked me, does this guy take 20 trades at a go?
No, Auntie, I can always, our Musumali buy is the way it works from 1H and above.
Okay.
So for me in a day, I take 2 trades.
Guys,
so
did you hear that?
So for me in a day, I take
from 1 hour and above. This is when you should look for this famous Musumali.
So now, Nikrash, are you understanding? So now our strategy is made up.
So now this is our confirmation.
Yes. So
When
now, how can I know that I'm wrong? We are still on that question.
Okay, how do I know that?
And when they start breaking the laws of that candle, that means we were wrong.
That
means our stop loss.
The candle?
Yes, that means this is where we'll put our stop
loss.
SP.
Remember, when I enter, so after confirmation here, like the candles are
you
breaking,
entered, now
you
have to put a stop loss. Then risk to reward ratio, it depends on you. Because I told you from my recent video of risk management, the higher the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to lose.
The higher the risk.
Yes, the more trades you are likely to win. The lower the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to win. So if you are risking 1 to 1, you are likely to win more trades.
Somebody needs to understand this.
The higher the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely.
So what is higher risk to reward ratio?
You are risking a cow, you are risking a rabbit to get a cow.
A rabbit to get a cow?
That me, I'm risking a cow to get a cow. So someone is risking like 1 to 10. For you are likely to lose more trades. Me, I'm risking 1 to 1. I'm likely to win more trades.
So
but at the end of the day,
me
we are all going to make money.
As a beginner who's watching, the risk to reward ratio, they are still confused. 1 to 10, 1 to 2, some people.
So if you want to understand that thing of risk to reward ratio, because it is going to consume a lot of time and we have a lot of things to cover, you are going to watch that video.
We have a video below.
Yes,
that have previous
videos.
Yes,
go and watch
explaining
everything is here by the way.
Yeah, but 1 to 1, it means like you're risking $10 for $10.
Yes, you are risking a rabbit to get a cow.
Your stop loss is at $10. Your take profit is at $10.
Yes, that's 1 to 1.
Yes.
You are risking a cow to get
a cow.
But there is some people who are risking a rabbit to get a cow, but there is a cost. Aha. Okay. That barter trade, there is high cost. Okay. I use Okuentenga and what day. They can give you the cow.
You might get the cow, but the cow
is very sick. It is in bad conditions.
It makes perfect sense.
So, are you understanding? So now Musumali is made up of how many? Musumali strategy is made up of how many things? I want you to name it now and there on the chart.
Yes, we are.
Show them. The first one.
So, nature of the market. First, identify where the trend is. In this case, we are dealing with an uptrend. And for me,
when I'm like a teacher, you sit behind and you start seeing.
Yeah, you see how students...
Did I plant my seeds on bare rocks or on fertile soil?
This is a very fertile soil. And I'm representing the millions who are watching. So the famous Musumali strategy is made up of 4 things. And first and foremost, once you open your laptop, you go to the chart. First, identify the nature of the market. In this case, we identify the trend. That is the common name everybody knows. The trend. Where is the trend? Is the trend bullish? Is the trend bearish? In this case, the trend is bullish, or it is an uptrend.
So that
or
is
in
the,
simple
on the
terms,
nature of the market.
the market is buying.
Okay, so that is the nature of the market. Show me the area of benefit number 2.
So the area of benefit number 2, as the market is making higher highs and higher lows, it reaches on higher high.
Then it comes back to test it. Then we call it the area
of benefit.
Exactly. So from area of benefit, what do we want again? We want the Musumali.
We look for the candle, the pattern, the candlestick
so
pattern.
So now where is the Musumali candle?
It is here.
Exactly, Niklas.
In
so,
the
but we
area
wanted
of
also
benefit.
to pick liquidity on the area of benefit. So where is liquidity?
It is here below.
So that is that's why people, when they say we are calling it Musumali strategy, they know it is just a candle. So that is the combination of all. All those that we are looking for, it is confirmation. They are telling us, because we say uptrend, people are running, going up. That means we look for buys. Area of benefit, the people buying and selling their asset. Now that's why we want to look for Musumali candle. And we said Musumali candle, it is same as uptrend. It is telling you that people are running, going up.
Because
and
we already talked about how it forms.
And again, when they start breaking the highs of it, all those are confirmation. That's why our Musumali strategy has 95% winning rate. We are going to backtest those things in the market. It is not just words.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you're understanding it.
So
but there are some things that always confuse people.
You said here, after when somebody sees that the Musumali has been broken above, they enter, they put the stop loss below, below the lowest price of the candle. But how do we know that we are wrong? The moment the price comes and breaks below
this. Now we are wrong. But before they break that rose of that candle, the Musumali
is still
valid, even if it takes 20 years.
If
before they break the rose or up, this Musumali is still valid.
Bullish.
Yes.
Okay. I hope
I understanding it.
But
there are other things that always confuse people. Area of benefit.
Area of,
because sometimes when you see there, and sometimes the market can fail to come there. I understanding it, but it is very wide. We are not going to talk all of it. Those things are going also to be in our VIP classes. But I want to help those who also can't afford VIP classes. But even VIP classes, it is very cheap.
Our VIP classes are ongoing.
Yes, it is very cheap. VIP classes, it is very cheap. We give you all this, we trade together, we enter trade together. That means if you are winning, you can also win. So let us assume that the market disrespect that area. Now, do we mean now we are going to sleep forever? No, the answer is no.
So what do we do here?
We keep marking the rows of that candle when we are looking for the area of what?
Benefit. Area
of benefit. Now we can mark this area. We can mark on this again, this area as our area of what?
Benefit.
As our area of benefit. Because sometimes the market is going to fail to respect that level which is up. But it doesn't. Yes, it doesn't mean that now
the market has changed.
The market has changed. No, we are still in uptrend. Because remember, we do what we call top-to-down analysis. I'm going to show you what we do on uptrend when we go on charts. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry.
Guys.
It's today or never. So now what do we want? We want this market. It comes here. But now, it didn't leave the bunches of candle this side this time. So, but now if it doesn't leave the bunches of this candle, that means we are not going to enter trade. Or we can still enter trade when this market makes bunches of this candle. After reaching in that area of benefit, it makes its own bunches of candles.
And new ones.
Yes, because the other side there was no bunches of candles. Remember, the market has to sweep liquidity as a must.
Yes.
If it doesn't form it, stay away from the market because you can't eat every day.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just remember, I said there is a stupid fool that thinks that I will be taking money home every day.
No,
those are not my words. Don't say that son of Sam has said I'm a stupid fool.
Okay.
No, it is not like that. It was the words of just who? Rev more.
That one.
So, we want the Musumali candle that will come again and sweep what we call liquidity, which it has formed. But still, it can even fail to give us here, and we mark again on these levels.
We go back.
Again, these levels. And sometimes, it can give us this confirmation, and people, they always mess up again. How? Because area of benefit, I don't want to confuse people, but I'm just summarizing it. All those things are going to be in our what? Classes. Sometimes we know after getting this confirmation, we're expecting this market to continue going where?
Up.
Exactly, crash up.
But sometimes
like this. But sometimes it doesn't go straight.
It comes back here. Yeah.
It's going doing like what?
Yeah.
This.
Actually, sometimes it can also come and come in like 50% of the candle.
Yes. But if it comes there and there are some bunches of candles, you can still take a setup. We call inside range trades, but that one it will be for another day.
Okay.
Because
Today we are on the Musumali.
I remember one day we were studying. We had a Mchiga teacher.
Okay.
We had a Mchiga man. So that Mchiga man, he was teaching us square root. So I was following all the calculations. When we reached at the end, he told us that, you guys, do you know that we forgot square root? Then we went back to pick square root. Then everything became complicated.
If you've made it this far, then that is great. First and foremost, check the link in bio if you're not in our Telegram group. Join the Son of Sam Telegram group or get in touch on Instagram for those who don't have Telegram. Now let's get into the chat so that you can have a live demonstration.
So now, Nick, as you have said, we test USD JPY.
Now we're on the chat.
Now we're on the chat. The people they are Son of Sam, we will talk about.
You talk about what?
Show us on
the chat.
Does your Musumali work or it is just one? Sit. Relax. We are it's today or never. But before we go to charts, there is what we call top to down analysis.
Okay.
Because how do you know that now the trend has changed in case you are an uptrend or downtrend? But since now we are in uptrend, remember the trend, it is going to be making the series of higher highs and higher
lows,
higher highs and higher
lows,
higher highs and higher
lows,
higher highs and higher lows. So how do we know that now the trend has changed? Now we want the market to come back and break the lows of this area. If now the market comes back and breaks this lows, but it has not yet confirmed the trend, so we want it again to come back and test this level. If it fails and starts going down, then we are going to call it a down trend. Now we are going to start looking for what we call
sales.
So now we do this on daily time what?
Daily time frame.
Daily time frame. Are you understanding it? Or weekly time frame. Okay. So, but before they break the lows of this kind, even if the market is coming back, just mark those areas. Just know it is coming back to test those levels and to continue going where. And sometimes it can even come after breaking here, it continues going up. Are you understanding it? So, but it can still come back in this level. It doesn't mean that if it breaks here, we're going to say, no, now we are going to mark again down where? Here. We wait again the market to do this and confirm that we are going where?
You are going
down. So you need to understand this, and all those things are going to be where?
In our classes.
VIP classes. The famous Musumali strategy.
When?
15 is March, we need only 30 people. It is for the chosen ones, not
and
for
you already
everyone.
have how many?
Few remaining.
Yeah.
Few remaining. So now now we are going to do what we call top to down what?
Analysis.
So we go on daily and we see for sure is the daily in higher time frame or lower
time frame.
Is in downtrend or uptrend. Are you understanding it?
Yeah.
Yes. We said it is today or never. So now, like you are seeing on daily, if we do it like this, the market is making the series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So to confirm that now the market have turned into a downtrend, we want at least, you see this one is we call inside range trades. We want at least this market to come back down here. Then it breaks down here, then it comes back, it tests this level, then it tests like here, then we confirm that now we are going in what? So now we are in what?
This is still a bullish market.
Exactly. Now we are going to be looking for what?
Buys.
I will always teach you the crash. So without further ado, all those things we said we are going to understand very well. We are going to understand it in where. And we said our strategy works very well in where?
From 1 hour and above.
Nicholas, you are a very
guys,
good student.
There is no gambling here with 1 minute. I hear scalping. 5
no,
minutes.
No. Scalping, it is the strategy that is promoting what we call gamblers. Are you understanding
here,
it?
You're training traders.
Yes, I'm training professional traders.
Not gamblers,
yes.
scalpers.
So now, like the way we have been studying, we were going to mark as our area of benefit, like where?
There.
According to charts.
According to the chart.
So according to the charts, we say if they break like up here, we mark like here. But since the market came down here, we said we can still mark where?
The one below.
So we mark where.
Now that is the area of benefit or liquidity, where liquidity
So
is.
now we are going to mark step by step, because we said now the market is in uptrend. The nature of the market we have already solved it. We go step by step. Nature of the market is uptrend. We have already solved what?
Yeah.
That one. Now we go on the area of benefit, step by step.
Okay. So when I go to that chart,
We
I
go
first
the,
identify
the nature of the market. It is the first thing to do, because if it is uptrend, we look for what?
For the buys.
If it is downtrend,
We look for the sell.
if
Now
it is
you
ranging
talked,
market,
if it's a ranging market,
both buys and sells.
yes.
Chopping market, go and visit who?
Sasha.
Exactly. Go and visit Sasha.
Okay, so you talked about the drop down analysis. When do I do this?
Every time you open the charts, because it is what I was showing you, the top to down analysis on daily, and daily has already confirmed us that we are
it
in
is bullish.
It is bullish.
In this particular pair, we are
Yes,
in right now.
yes. Now, if it is bullish, we go and look for those areas of benefit, and we start taking
Now
what we call buys.
I go
now,
to one
1H.
I go to daily chart.
Yes,
I
you-
identify the nature of the market.
Yes.
Then I come back to 1 hour.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Then
Now,
1 hour, now we are looking for the what?
For the buys.
Yes, but when we are looking for buys, we look for how many?
Area of benefit, support and resistance.
That is demand and supply on the
demand and
area.
supply,
Then we look for Musumari,
Musumali,
and we want that Musumari to pick what?
To pick liquidity.
So now we have got to how many things? Now we already have one up what?
Uptrend. Uh-huh.
So now we go and mark on the area of benefit, and we said now here like area of benefit is where?
The first one is up here.
But now since the market is coming down, we look for the one which
the one which is lower.
Yes, and now we are going to mark this one as our area of what?
Benefit.
Exactly. So now we want the smart candle that will pick liquidity on the what?
On the area of benefit.
So now where is our liquidity? And we said to confirm that we have liquidity, at least we want the 2 candles. We want the market to pick liquidity on 2 what?
2 candles.
And here our 2 candles, where there is liquidity, the rose, it is where? It is on these 2 candles, like the way you are seeing them.
Because I was about to ask
This is 2 candles where there is what we call liquidity. Are you understanding it?
Do we take the lows as well when we are marking the area of benefit?
Yes, they have to take the rose.
The lows of the candles.
Yes, of that Musumari liquidity. So now we are going to pray.
No, I mean where the area of benefit, there are candles formed there.
Yes, bunches of candles that
so
the
those
one
candles,
explained.
we take the lows as well.
Yes, that is what we call liquidity peak. So now that is liquidity peak, that is the area of benefit. Now we are meaning with what?
With the candlestick pattern, which
The
is
Musumari. Exactly. Now let us pray and we see if we can get the what? The Musumari candle. This is not Musumari. This is not Musumari. Now we have done what we call like a breakout. So if it is a breakout like here, you see this candle has made what we call a breakout. So this is a breakout. But
area of benefit.
yes, but if we can still get a candle that comes and sweeps liquidity of this raw candle, and it comes back in our area of benefit, we can still take buys. But if this candle comes and stops from like here, we are not going to take buys because it will be below our area of benefit. We want it at least to be above or inside the area of benefit to confirm that now it was a fake out of what? Of sales. But if it is below, then that means it is a breakout. The market is going to retest here and it continues going where?
Below.
Okay. It's today or what?
Never.
Okay. Now this is what we call Musumari candle. So we say if this candle was red, we measure the wick. If the wick is longer than the body, we don't take what we call buys. But since this body is, we are going in buys, as long as they have picked liquidity, the body doesn't matter. Are you understanding it? So we are going to take this Musumari as buys.
Now wait, Mr. San. Some people they were convinced that the Musumali is literally dodgy candle.
No, the Musumari, because I always tell you that if you go on higher time frame like 2 hours or 4H, you can find this is like engulfing pattern. But if you go on 2H, you can still find the Musumari candle. So as long as, even if it is bullish candle, as long as it has swept liquidity. Are you understanding it? As long as it has swept what?
Liquidity.
We take it as what?
It's not about the candle. Only,
so now we have gone on 2H time frame. So 2H time frame it is showing you what?
It is a hammer.
That means there is only one reversal pattern candle in the what?
In the whole world.
In the whole world, that is the Musumali on 2H time frame. So even if it is engulfing on 1H, you can still take it as what? As long as the candle is green and we are going in buys. If it is red and we are going in sales, it is very okay. What we want it is to understand the concept.
The area of benefit.
So now the stop loss is going to be where and take profit is going to be where. I want you to show me.
Now, we will be putting our stop loss below.
Here.
The stop loss should be here.
Take profit.
Take profit should be above.
Anywhere, because we said, but entry point, show me the entry point on this candle.
Entry point.
We said we enter when they start breaking the what?
The candle.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. So tell me, now we are going to set, and we said, if the market gives us 1 to 1, 1 to 2, we are going to take it as a win. Okay. Because we said the higher the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to do what?
To lose.
Are you understanding this strategy, Nikrash? So are you sure, are we going to win this trade or we are going to lose?
We are going to win.
No, you can't know. If you say we are going to win, that means you already know.
I'm very confident.
No, you can't know what the market is going to bring. Yeah. But we know,
but I'm still waiting for my confirmation.
If we keep executing such a kinds of trades, we are going to win more than we do what? We lose. So let us pray and we see what tomorrow will bring.
So you exercise patience until the market confirms.
Exactly. That is our first what? Win of the day. Are you understanding it, Nikrash?
Yes.
Are you understanding it? That is the first win of the what?
That day.
Of that day. So now we have won this trade. So let's mark a recap. That's how we have managed to collect, by the way, hundreds of millions.
Now we are
eating.
Now I'm giving we are eating.
Yes, now we have started seeing the fruits of the strategy that we have been backtesting.
The cow was slaughtered.
Exactly.
And now we saw the meat.
And this is the only strategy that is going to make you win. And you even say, son of Sam, I'm tired of winning. And some people, they can say, now we have grabbed only this, show us another strategy. And since we are in uptrend, we are not going to mark again to check uptrend or downtrend. No, we are going to continue. So now show me the area of benefit.
The area of benefit
here, where we are.
Where it is this one below.
I want you when we are doing this, people, they understand. Show me the area of benefit.
Here on this candle.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very what?
Very good.
Very good. So now we are going to mark our area of what?
Benefit.
We are going to mark our area of benefit. Let us move this one to avoid congestion. And remember, we mark on the bodies, not the wicks.
Okay.
We mark on the bodies.
Okay.
So on this area, this is our area of what? Benefit. So now liquidity is where on this area?
Liquidity. Oh.
Show me the liquidity on this area.
Where the next candle should grab. It is below this wick.
Okay, so now we are going to bring our liquidity. We are going to bring and we mark our liquidity as where? As here.
Okay, so Mr. Rukundo, so these candles, these candles that form which makes the area of benefit, when we are marking them, we mark on the bodies.
Yes.
On the bodies below.
Yes.
Because usually some people were marking the candle up and below.
We mark on the bodies below. You don't need to mark on that. If you want, you can do it, because it can still give you the same things.
No, because
even if you do it like this, it gives you the same thing, because we want at least the market to come and sweep liquidity here. But to make your work smart, you just mark here on the bodies.
Yeah, then the body, you mark the bodies. If you're looking at if the market is coming below, you mark on the
so now
say
yes, because of time, let us rush. Other things they are going to understand it in the what. So now
the liquidity in this case now is the wick.
The wicks of those candle. Yes, those wicks.
Is the liquidity.
Yes.
The area of benefit is the candle itself.
Yes, on the area of benefit, we want the wicks which are where? On that area of benefit. So now let us now we want what? We have already got the trend. Trend, we said we got the trend, we are in uptrend. Uptrend. Area of benefit.
Yeah.
We have already got our area of what?
Benefit.
We have got our what?
Liquidity.
Liquidity. Now we want what?
The Musumali.
We want at least the candle that will come in this area and sweep liquidity here. Are you understanding it, guys?
Getting you.
So that's what we have been doing, what we call visualization. When you reach in the market, you see for sure what am I looking for. Don't just come in the market. So now we have got what we call
liquidity peak.
But this Musumali candle is red. So if it is red, you need to be careful Because we want, it is red, but it is in the area of benefit. It has made some character breakout, but we said as long as the entry point, it is above this level, we are going to take buys. So we are going to enter when they start breaking highs. But we are taking this because this week is longer than the body. Even if the candle is red, we can still take what? We can still take what?
The buy.
I will always teach you. So now we are going to say, we said 1 to 1, 1 to 2, as long as the market, if it gives us 1 to 1, it is already a win. Because we say the higher the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to do what? To lose. Now this is what we call 1 to 1. So let us pray and we see if this Musumali, we already have how many wins?
1.
How many losses?
None.
That is the only strategy that will make you forget about what? Take profit was already hit our TP. Are you understanding it, Nikrash?
I'm getting you.
Are you understanding it, Nikrash?
Yeah.
So,
1 to 1.
1 to 1 is already hit. So now we have 2 winners. But still, the market is coming down.
Yeah.
So what we are going to do, we can still in the area of benefit. If we can still get opportunity here, we can still take another what?
Another
buys.
buy.
That is the benefits of 1 to 1. Are you understanding it? I understand.
You're already out by this time.
Yes, it is still going up. If it goes up and breaks here, we are going to mark this what?
As area of benefit.
As area of benefit. If it remains here, now this is still our area of what? Benefit. So now, to make it in a good way, now if they have formed these 2 candles, let us first remove this. If they have formed those 2 candles, now we are going to mark on the bodies of these ones.
Yeah.
So this is our area of what?
Benefits.
If we can still get a candle that will sweep liquidity on this area, we can still take what we call buys. So you have already got how many wins?
2.
2 out of 0. So let us, since the market is this area, so this is the Musumali.
Yeah.
Give me the reason why we are not going to take buys.
It has not taken out the liquidity.
Exactly. So now we are going to mark our liquidity down where?
Below there.
Exactly. Nick Rush. I will always teach you. But you guys, are you following like Nick Rush? What you are saying now? Nick Rush knew the strategy.
If
Nick,
they don't understand, they come, I teach them.
Exactly. We are going also to be having VIP classes.
Yes.
So that is liquidity. So if we can get a candle that will sweep that liquidity, we are going to take what?
We are going to take a buy. Woof.
We have got 1.
Wow.
Are we going to take buys or not?
We are taking buys.
Exactly.
Here.
Just keep doing what you are supposed to do. What?
But we wait for the candle confirmation.
Yeah, we wait when they start breaking the high. So our entry point is going to be here.
Above
our
there.
stop loss is going to be where?
Below on the week.
Exactly. So this is what we call the stop loss. So our take profit is where?
On the liquidity, on the highs. The
Yes.
last highs.
Yes, exactly. So
Sorry,
this is
our take profit is on the previous highs.
exactly. So now we are going to pray and we do what? We see what tomorrow will bring.
Okay. So now we took a buy.
And some people, they might say, that is the only strategy. And some people there, they can still saying, son of Sam, you said this is the only strategy.
Stop loss is still intact, remember.
So we said, we said, even if it is 1 to 1, if it hit 1 to 1, we can win. But here it is 1 point, it is 1.9. Let us put it in 1 to 1 and we see. Because if it comes back and we lose, we are going to count it as a loss as long as it is below.
So if you're doing 1 to 1,
let us see if it is 1
a
to 1.
goat for a goat. Not a goat for a cow. Okay.
So this is 1 to 1. 1 to 1, they have not, let me see if they have hit take profit.
It was paid. Almost.
We don't want to cheat, we need to be sure.
The other high?
So this is 1 to 1, they have not yet hit the TP. As we are
few
seeing.
pips.
Pipet.
Pipet.
Okay, let us pray. If we lose it, we count it as a loss, no problem. Because we win some, we lose some, as long as the outcome is what?
Income. Still moving. We are still moving.
Yeah. We said we win some, we lose some, as long as the outcome is what?
Is income.
Is income.
Our stop loss, remember, is still down there.
But this
very
trade,
tight.
it has hit already the take profit, because if you check down here, we have already passed where we put a stop loss here. So if we are risking 1 to 1, let us say this is 1.2. So 1 to 1 is where 1 to 1. That means we have already hit TP.
Yeah, it was paid on that.
So this one, they have already done what? Paid us. So we are
Those
going
are
to
3 wins.
So those are 3 wins. We are going to count it as a win. Are you understanding it, guys?
Yes,
So now, since the market is approaching down here, we are going still to mark the rows of this Musumali.
The previous candle.
Yes. If we can get the Musumali that will pick liquidity here,
Then
we can still take it.
again.
Yes, no problem. Hakuna matata.
You eat. Okay.
Exactly, exactly. Are you seeing it, Nikrash?
I'm seeing it.
So the market is going to continue printing our edge again and again and again and again. And you are going to win and you say, son of Sam, I'm tired of winning. And I will say what?
Keep on winning.
Because you told me to do what?
We want to win.
To exactly keep winning because you told me that you want to do
so
what?
this green candle?
So that is
They
the green
came
candle.
and they picked
And
liquidity?
Mr. I have my friend Don Darren, he said, son of Sam, the other Musumali was like a tree. Was very wrong like a tree. And remember, the way it becomes wrong, the more you are likely to do what? To win.
Yes.
The more chances are likely to do what?
Yeah.
To win. So this Musumali, it is likely to go very far, but just keep doing what you are supposed
The
to
more
do.
confirming
Risk
it
1
is,
to 1, 1 to 2.
Don't risk too much, yeah.
But this Musumali, it is likely to go wrong because it has swept liquidity on the area of benefit and it is the wrong Musumali.
Yes,
So
yes.
there is higher chances. We can
has
still
done-
lose it.
Yeah, it has done each and everything.
Yes, we
So
can
now
still lose it, but there is higher chances of doing what?
Of
winning.
winning,
Are you understanding it, Nikrash?
Yeah. So now we've taken a buy because a green candle has come above it.
Yes, they have
Stop
already
loss is
broken.
down there.
Exactly. We are in up.
Yes.
This is the area.
Everything
So
has
we need
paid
to
out.
remind them this is area
Area
of
of
benefit.
benefit,
Area
yeah.
of benefit, uptrend,
Yes.
liquidity peak.
Liquidity
We
peak.
got them smart candle that swept this liquidity.
And you get the new candles
That
came
has
above.
broken the rows.
Yes.
So we are entering,
The buys.
we are risking 1 to 1, 1 to 2.
Yes. So let's see.
What tomorrow will bring.
Are
you
we
excited?
eating?
I don't know. You keep doing what you are doing to do.
Yeah.
I can't know. There
Keep
is no
on
one who
your
can
edge.
predict the market. But with Musumali, you know that I'm going to win and win. And I even reach an extent of saying, son of Sam, I'm tired of winning.
I don't want
So,
to win anymore.
So inside even here, are you seeing?
Yeah,
We have
it
not
came
yet
back
won
again.
this trade, but
Yeah.
we still got another Musumali on the area of benefit.
yes.
That means we can still take and win one inside the range. It is the
another
one that I
trade.
was telling you. So we can even win 1 in 2. You can leave
The
this
other
one
one is
moving.
still intact because
Yes,
the
no
stop loss is
problem.
still there.
Yes. So we can still risk here and we see if we can win another trade here. Are you understanding it?
I'm getting you. Area of benefit.
We risk 1 to 1.
And the liquidity grab is done. Candles have come up. Breaker.
1 to 1.
Yes.
So they have not yet given us 1 to 1. You can even lose your 2 trades and you call it a day.
Yes.
No problem. But for us, we have how many winners?
We have 3 so far.
3 so far. We are heading to 5 or 3-2.
Okay.
Yes. This one, any owner to jail,
The
it has
inside
already
one has
given us.
paid.
This one has paid. I understanding. Because of this Musumali, it is the same concept. This was our area of
Yes.
benefit, picking liquidity. We got the Musumali, which is in the range. We entered when they started breaking the highs of it.
Yes.
I understanding it.
I'm getting you.
So we are targeting now this one and we
The
see.
first one we took is still in tight.
The first one. So now we have how many
Those are 4.
wins? Understanding it?
So that's how you collect the sets of 20.
Yes,
trades.
you keep trading until you complete the center trades. Then
Then
you
you
see
see.
your winners.
Okay. Then you journal the
Ah.
20. Whew.
It has also
they're taken
given us our TP. So now how many trades? 5 wins. How many losses?
0.
That is the only strategy that you are going to win and you forget about losing. So guys, because of time, please allow us to
We
stop
stop here.
from here. So Nikrash, you can rewind and you tell us about them smart just in 1 second.
Yes.
Then we call it a day.
So
Or I can even summarize it.
Yes, a quick recap.
We said the Musumali strategy is made up of 4 things, which we get area of benefit.
Nature of we first identify the nature of the market.
We
In
first
this case,
identify the nature of
either
the
it's
market.
buying or
Nature of the
selling.
market. If it is uptrend, we buy.
we follow the trend.
Yes, a downtrend we sell.
Yes.
Then we look at the area of benefit. Area of benefit, it is where people are buying and selling their assets.
Yes.
Then we look at the...
Which people call the support and resistance.
Yes, then we look at the Musumali candle.
Which is
we
the
want this
candlestick
Musumali
pattern.
candle to pick liquidity like the way it has been doing on those levels.
And
that we
in this
have on
case,
our
guys,
trades.
like to erase each and everything, everybody was saying that the candle, the Musumali is just a doji. It's a doji candle or a hammer.
And remember,
It's
we can
not.
even take the doji candle of Musumali as long as the lower wick is longer than the upper wick. Even if the candle is like this, we can still take it as a Musumali. It is a doji, but as long as the lower wick is longer than the upper wick. Because if the upper wick is longer than the lower wick, that means there are more sellers in the market. But if the lower wick is longer than the higher wick, that means there are more buyers in the what?
In the market.
So we can still take it as what?
So it's
so
not
even
about...
if it can be Musumali like this, and we get a small pin that has picked liquidity, we can still take it. So we are going to understand all those ones.
It's not just a candle.
Yes, we are going to understand do's and don'ts of Musumali
Because
strategy.
the disclaimer I wanted to put out, it's not just a doji candle or a hammer. Because everybody was on TikTok saying, it's just a doji candle.
No, it is a combination
It's a
of many
combination
things.
of
So because when I say that Musumali candle, the idea is just Musumali. No.
Yes.
Have you seen where we started from? It is a combination of
Yes,
all.
that's
It is
true.
not just one small thing.
It's not a doji,
Yes.
it's not a hammer, it can be any other candle. As long
Exactly.
as it plays in your edge.
So today we are done from
So 5
here.
wins taken. Guys, you saw each and everything. Please write everything down.
Make
Go
sure
and
to join
practice.
even our Telegram group.
Everything is there in the Telegram.
By the way,
You're
link is
missing
in
out.
bio. There are people who are using our name. They are scamming people. Make sure when you are joining our Telegram group,
You use
the
this link
in
and this
the
channel.
bio.
Yeah. Anything else, please comment everything in the comment section. We will be going through your comments and we will be getting back to you. Don't forget to follow the big man on his Instagram. Everybody is saying they can't reach out to him. He's very busy. Very many messages are taunting. Please inbox him on Telegram. The link is in our bio. Follow him on his TikTok account. Everywhere it is son of
Same.
FX.
TikTok. Instagram, it is there.
Instagram.
By the way, Instagram people are not following. Why are you not following me?
You, please
You are
follow the
shaming
big guy.
me.
Yeah, follow the big follow the famous Musumali maker. This
By the way,
guy,
this strategy that we have been studying, I'm the one who developed it on my own.
it is his idea.
And very many
fully.
people, they don't know about it, but you are seeing, Nicholas is saying, son of Sam, you are growing big. And I'm telling you, it just exercise.
Yeah,
But
this
he's
guy-
saying it is just Musumali. Just to say the truth, it is Musumali.
It is Musumali. So you will win it and do everything. So if you're not getting anything still and things are not coming in as you expected, please come to my inbox. Follow me everywhere on social media. Nicrash256 everywhere. I'm there. TikTok, Instagram, where?
So the Musumali strategy, there is a lot of things by the way to cover in Musumali strategy. I have not yet talked about inside range trades. I have not explained which liquidity you are supposed to take, which you have not yet, which you are not supposed
because
to
there
take.
are so many.
So there are a lot. So I can't just.
But
talk
we
in one
summarized.
minute. Yes.
We
So
summarized how
everything
it
are going
is.
to be in our course. Make sure
Yeah,
you
the
inbox
VIP
me and I give
classes-
you all updates.
The VIP
Yes,
classes are
because-
starting on
yes.
15th March. Please endeavor to come in, join our
Advantages, we will
Telegram.
be taking trades together. Like this Musumali, we'll be identifying them. Then I tell you, guys, put water for.
And you will be trading one-on-one with him.
Yes,
So
yes, guys. See
please
you.
come in and ciao. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yes.
Ciao.